Backing up onto it and automatically lifts the flood, the dolly up in the air, the back of the timber jinker, and rolls over itself. Now Dean's just got on. Make sure that the front axle goes between those two poles, okay? And then he'll winch it back on the rest of the way and tie it down. So this enables the fellas to get into some tight places with the timber jinkers, and yes. Okay, have a look at that for an operational equipment, fellas. It's pretty good at water, this old Ford, isn't it? 400 big cans coming, and a late model timber jinker under it. Okay, the winch is used. Now you don't get to see this very often, ladies and gentlemen, so it's great to display board on here, like that. And it'll fall into place.
The truck here is a beautiful LNT Ford 9000, running a Cummins 400 diesel. So it's great to see these and how all these trucks looked after. So you know that Ford sold their truck business to Sterling. So it was interesting, earlier this year, 2023, had the opportunity to go across the Middle East and Egypt it was, and Turkey. They're still running new model Ford heavy trucks over there. I'm pretty sure if you check my video channel at Pearson 1752, you'll see some of these late model Fords which are still made in the Middle East and run. So once again, this is the Wauchope Truck, Car and Bike Show, July 2023, and we'll just watch this truck move off.
What about a round of applause for that, eh? Good to see. We don't see that very often come along the shows, and it's a beautiful display done by Dean Higgins there.
So thank you to Dean Higgins. As you can see there, they run a trucking company. Hit the like button, tell us about some antique machinery you know.